Hello and Assalamualaikum to Puan. My name is Muhammad Loman and I will be the first presenter of my group. So these are our splash screen. There's a coffee shop logo at the center and a suitable background color and also the title John Coffee Shop. And I will move on to the next slide. And these are our onboarding screen one. There's actually four things that we have put here. The first one is image one, which is illustration of a steaming cup of coffee and a friendly barista. And there's a text title, Freshly Brewed Daily, subtitle Enjoy Quality Coffee Made from the Finest Beans. And and there's a continue button to navigate the next fragment that will change image and text, and the skip button to navigate directly to the welcome screen. And I will move on to next slide. And these are our onboarding screen 2. Just like the onboarding screen 1, there's also four things that we have put here, which is image 2, a hand holding a takeaway coffee cup with a coffee order, and also text title order anytime, anywhere, and the subtitle skip the queue and order straight from the apps, and also a continue button just like the onboarding screen 1 to navigate to the next fragment, and a skip button to navigate directly to the welcome screen. And I think that's all from my part. The rest will be presented by my other group member.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Irfan Mifzel. I will continue for onboarding screen 3. After the onboarding screen 2 and click continue, it will show up the screen with the image on the middle and text title and reward with every cup and the subtitle below and continue button. Next, after the onboarding screen 3 and click continue, it will show up the welcome screen and we have a picture above here and two button below. There is sign in button and register button. The sign in button will connect to sign in page and register will connect to register page. This is sign in screen. After we click the sign in button at the welcome screen, it will show up here and you can enter your email and password and click sign in to continue.
Hello, my name is Hamad Fizuddin and I will be presenting about home screen. Our home screen has an app header, a display application logo, title and personalized greeting using the sign-in username. A promotional banner containing an image and supporting text, the bottom navigation bar with form menu, option, home, order now, reward and profile. Next up will be sign up screen. The sign up screen has a input text that is full name, email password, and confirm password, and also has a sign up button. And lastly, we have sign up screen. The sign up screen appears after you do a registration. It will say registration successful with a logo and supporting text, welcome to John's Coffee Shop app, and the back button to navigate to home screen. That is all from us. Thank you very much.